upgraded indigenously. It features an automatic anti-aircraft gun mount and is being led by Captain Ray Kapali. It is effective against aerial targets up to 2,500 meters and ground targets up to 2,000 meters. Its rate of fire is 850 rounds.
Mainline 130. नेतृत्व लोग मेरे बेसमेंट के लेफ्ट रेंज पे राउंड हुआ हमारे सभी दस्तों को लंबी दूरी तक फायर करते हुए
Dismantling.
हमारे सभी रफ्तार से दौड़ सकता है